Let us see the formation of N2 molecule, that is nitrogen molecule. Okay, atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Its electronic configuration is 2,5, means it has 5 electrons in its valence shell and requires 3 more to attain stability. Now how the nitrogen molecule is formed? Now you can see the individual nitrogen atom, it has 5 electrons in its valence shell. Okay, so each nitrogen atom share its 3 electrons each. Now as altogether 6 electrons means 3 pairs of electrons are getting shared. So the type of bond which is formed between two nitrogen atom is a triple covalent bond. Now as we have studied the formation of hydrogen and oxygen molecule. In hydrogen molecule, as each hydrogen atom share its 1 electron. Okay, so altogether just 1 electron pair is getting shared, no? And hence the single covalent bond was formed between hydrogen molecule. Now again we have seen the example of oxygen molecule. In the formation of oxygen molecule, 2 electrons pairs are getting shared and hence double covalent bond is formed between two oxygen atoms, which results in the formation of O2 molecule. Whereas in case of the formation of nitrogen molecule, as 3 pairs of electrons are getting shared and hence the triple covalent bond is formed between the each nitrogen atom in nitrogen molecule. Now look at the another example, that is formation of methane molecule. Methane is also known as marsh gas. Okay, its molecular formula is CH4. Okay, now in CH4 here 1 carbon is getting combined with 4 hydrogen atom. Now you can see here the individual atoms of 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atom. Now how many electrons are there in the outermost shell of carbon? That are denoted by dot, means you can that are denoted by cross. Now you can see 4 crosses there, means carbon has 4 valence shell electrons, whereas the valence shell electrons of hydrogen are denoted by dot. And now you can see the each dot in each circle. Okay, so here the hydrogen atom has 1 valence shell electron. So here the carbon share its 4 electrons with 4 hydrogen atom. Now see another figure there. Now you can see the orbitals are getting overlap. Now here the 4 different electrons of carbon are getting shared with each electron of each hydrogen atom to form 4 single covalent bond. Yes, I am repeating, 4 single covalent bond are getting formed, which result in the formation of methane molecule, that is CH4.